Still spending hours cutting silences, signing captions, or zooming in manually? What if I told you there's one plugin that can automate everything from cutting awkward pauses to finding viral clips for shorts? Meet AutoCut, the ultimate AI powered plugin that can take your videos to the next level. So let's check it out. So if you want, you can just simply go to the autocut.card website. I can provide the link in the description as well and click on download for free, and you can use it for 14 days approximately free, and then you can, if you want, you can just buy it. Now if I am in Premiere Pro, I will just go to Windows, and in the extension section, once installed, it will be showing here AutoCut. So its interface is like this. You can AutoCut silences, you can also AutoCut podcast, AutoCaptions, AutoZoom, AutoB-Rolls, AutoViral clips for your videos. And if you want, you can remove repetitive text from with AI. And if you want, you can just use this auto filler option. You can just censor or unwanted language automatically, and auto resize will just resize your videos to the specific program you want. And there is also auto chapter section. So first I will just show you how to use the AutoCut silences. So I have this video of my tutorial. So it has many silences parts. So if I cut it manually, it will take a lot of time. So I will just select the clip. I will just select AutoCut silences. And once this is done, if you want, you can just make specific parts, but I will just take entire timeline. So I will select the entire timeline, and now I will just click here. And if you want, you can just make sure to set the noise resolution to whatever you want. And here are some presets. If your video is calm, paced, or energetic, you can just choose those. So I have a calm video, and from here you can just select remove silences, keep silences, or mute silences, all the options. And once done, just hit on cut and delete silences. It will take a few minutes or seconds to make sure to cut the silent parts. So as you can see, it has just made cuts to the silence part of the video. So if we move forward, we have the auto caption section. So I have this podcast with me. I will just simply zoom it on the screen like this. So we want to add captions to this. So I will just hit captions. And once this is done, I will choose entire timeline, then verify section. And from here, I will select English United States like this. If you have a SRT file, you can just apply it here. If not, just click on open caption editor. Now, once done, you will just have to select the font section, or you can choose the presets. Like I will choose this one, and if you want, you can just edit the transcript and then just click on add caption. So as you can see, our captions are added.
I think everyone should rush 5 or 10,000 or 15,000.
If you want to edit something in, just double click on this section, like double click on this, and it will open all the captions in graphic style. You can just change fonts or color if you want to. Next we have the auto zoom feature. So I will just click on it, and I will just select the entire timeline, and then I will click here. Now if you can see, if you want to zoom, you can just also adjust the zoom level like from here, and you can just simply scroll down, and I will just click on apply zoom. So as you can see, it has also added auto zoom features to the important parts of our video like this. As you can see, it was like this, and from here you can just simply adjust the parts like this to the part where you want and where you don't want. So if we move forward, we have this auto b-roll section. Again, just select the entire timeline and make sure to go here. You can select the language of your video, then click next. As you can see, it has shown all the b-rolls according to this script. So you can just simply click the one you like, for example this one, and just make sure to click on add b-rolls, yes, continue, and then it will add the b-roll to that specific script part. As you can see, it's already here, this b-roll. Like if you it was talking about $5 to $10 or $1,000, you can just adjust it as well. Now if we move forward, you can also use idle auto clips. Like the it will just scan your video and select the parts that can go viral and automatically choose it, and you can just use these features as well. But the one I like the most is the auto resize feature. I will just click on this. I will collect the entire timeline, and from this section, now if you want, you can just choose the presets from here. So I want the TikTok scare reel size. If you want to change the YouTube or Twitter size, you can choose the other one. And I will choose this normal, no watermark, and I will just click on resize sequence. As you can see, it has just transformed our video into a real size video for like this. So that's all for today. I hope you found this tool helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also check out this tool. I will provide the link in the description. And that's all for today. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.